Hi everyone, Rob Collier here from We Buy Homes. Today we're going to talk about the difference between selling privately or taking to market. Okay, the first thing I'm going to look at is fees. When you sell privately to us, you pay zero, zilch, nothing. When you take to market, it's going to cost you generally 3.95% plus GST plus marketing costs. So anywhere between say $8,000 and $20,000. Depending on the value of your property. Settlement and possession. Okay, we can be very flexible with settlement and possession. If you are ready to go right now and you've got another place to move into, we can have a really short settlement and possession period. If you need to look for another place to live, we can accommodate that as well. So we can be very flexible. When you're taking it to market, you may not have as much flexibility necessarily based on what the agenda of the new owners is. So it's a little bit unclear, and you generally don't want to have to shift twice, whereas you may need to if you take it to market. Dollars, how much can you make between the two? Okay, what you get with us is you get a set amount, you know what you're going shopping with. If you take it to market, you're rolling the dice, you know, you really don't know what you're going to get. So plus you've got all the other hassles of taking it to market as well. The process, very simple and straightforward for us. We'll come and take a look at your property, which take about 20 to 30 minutes. We'll get any reports you've got on the property, take some photos, go away, and then come back to you within the next 2 to 3 days and make an offer on your property. It's that simple. Versus taking to market, the process is a little bit more, there's a bit more involved. You've got lots of open homes, you've got lots of people traipsing through your property, and quite a lot of time when you really want to move on with your life. The next thing we help you into your next home as well. So we work with buyers agents, other people in the industry, mortgage brokers, etc., who can help you find your next place so you're not completely doing it by yourself. Okay, so we can help you with that process. Okay, so that's a little bit of a comparison between selling privately and taking to market. If you would like an appraisal on your earthquake damaged property, please get in touch with us at 0800 payout. That's 0800 payout.